If you want to get the best track saw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have WEN Tone 1065. This track saw won't break the bank, and it shows. The tool has been value engineered to be so low cost that it doesn't do what needs to be done. It has 3 depth stops, approximately 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, and full depth. None of those are the most common depths used, 1 inch and 1/4 inches for rips and crosscuts and decking. While those materials can be cut at full depth and the WEN will cut them, what also happens is the substrate is also cut. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Makita S6000J. This track saw has my favorite plunge action in the bunch. It's just simple and seamless, delivers boku power and supremely clean cuts with few saw marks at full speed in oak and no tear out in maple plywood. It is also a great value with an all-pro performance at a reasonable price that yields a terrific cost-to-value ratio. With a 55-inch long rail, the Makita runs smoothly and simply, and it delivered top-notch cuts in everything we threw at it. It has a nice kit box, a softish start, and easy electronic brake, and we felt it when cutting super dense composite decking. The number 3 position is held by Evolution 27 4C Power Tools Pro 185XCSX. The Evolution saw is a unique take on the category. While it is a circular saw that rides on a track and is entirely suitable for some carpentry jobs like resizing a hollow core door, this is a circular saw first. It just happens to have a shoe that adapts to its 40-inch screw-together track. As a result, the fact that it left clean cuts and almost nothing else isn't a demerit. This tool is designed for the occasional straight cut and finish stock, but is better suited to sizing metal roofing or cutting square tube steel, PVC pipe, or plastic roofing. Next at number 4 we have Kreg AC2000. The saw performed admirably in oak, pine, plywood, and decking, and the rail is a useful length. The Kreg track saw is the only blade left in the group, which makes it easier to see the saw and the rail when making a cut. The upright handle design makes pushing the tool through a long rip or crosscut a little easier than with more top-mounted handles. It has a high-quality, very long cord and a great carry bag. It even has a dust bag, which we wish every track saw had. While each saw is ready to be hooked up to a vac or dust collection, gathering the dust isn't always practical or necessary for making trim cuts in decking or trimming a couple of door bottoms outside. It has a lush soft start and an effective electronic brake. There's a splinter guard on both the track and the left side of the blade. The tool felt resistant in composite and oak. It left burn marks in the oak, but slowing the tool down from 6 to 4 fixed that issue. It also slowed down the cut. For a shop where the track saw will be part of a system and the benches and tables won't be custom built, the Kreg saw is designed to be part of the brand's comprehensive work table system. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Bosch Tools Track Saw GKT13225L. The Bosch Track Saw performed the most cuts the best and the easiest in the tests we ran. It's the easiest saw in the group to engage the thin rail on its track. No fussing around trying to get it just so. It slides easily. The motor is plush even under duress like cutting red oak or composite decking. It runs smoothly, and there was no need to dial down its variable speed because the cuts were crisp with near zero tear out or blade marks left in the work. It comes with 2 63-inch rails and a great carry bag to keep rails safe on a job site or in a busy shop. The 126 inches of rail, plus the longest cord on any track saw we tested, makes it an absolute go-to for long rips and crosscuts in deck building activities. There was zero vibration with a nice, upright handle position, sensible switches, and easily the most power. This saw delivered on all counts. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.